Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us. Today, we'll talk to you about an important program called the Priority Review Voucher Program and the Give Kids a Chance Act. My name is Jake Yipe. I have a progressive and neurodegenerative disease called Friedreich's ataxia. I use a wheelchair full-time, so when I talk about rare diseases and access to treatment, this isn't just a topic for me, it's real life. I'm really excited to be here today and to share this story with you all.
And I'm Sophie Melancon. I have Takayasu's arteritis, an autoimmune condition that causes inflammation of my large blood vessels. My journey from developing my disease at the age of 10 to my state of remission now makes me passionate about advocating for myself and helping others do the same as well. I'm super excited to be here today to do just that.
This is Jimmy. He's a kid living with GM1 gangliosidosis. It's a rare genetic disorder that slowly takes away everything he can do. His ability to walk, to talk, and even to eat. Jimmy and his parents have tried everything: fundraisers, experimental trials, advocacy, etc. But here's the harsh reality. Without a treatment, time is running out.
And most drug companies can't help him. Developing a drug for a disease like Jimmy's can take over a decade and hundreds of millions of dollars to only help just a few patients.
That's where the PRV, the Priority Review Voucher Program, changed everything. It gave companies a reason to say yes. Yes to helping Jimmy and yes to changing his life for the better.
The PRV was a revolutionary program that saved lives because it helped develop treatments for dangerous conditions and rare diseases.
Here's how it works. When a company develops an FDA-approved treatment for a rare pediatric disease, they can earn a voucher that allows them to fast-track the FDA review of a future drug. This cuts the whole process down from a long 10 months to only 6.
And another benefit, these vouchers can be sold. Some have sold for hundreds of millions of dollars. That money can then be used to fund more research for rare conditions like Jimmy's.
All of this happens without costing taxpayers a single dime. It's one of the incentives in healthcare that rewards innovation without draining public funds.
Since 2012, the FDA has awarded 60 of these vouchers. Over 40 rare disease treatments have been developed.
Unfortunately, the program stopped. In late 2024, Congress had a bipartisan healthcare package that included the PRV program's renewal. But unrelated political issues caused the health parts of the bill to be removed. So the PRV program expired on December 20th. Not because it didn't work and not because it was controversial, but just because it got left behind.
Without the PRV program, drug companies lose a key reason to invest in treatments for rare pediatric diseases. That means fewer new drugs, fewer clinical trials, and fewer chances for kids like Jimmy. The incentive that helped drive progress is no longer available, and families are left waiting again.
But there's hope. A new bill called the Give Kids a Chance Act has been introduced in Congress. And if it passes, it would bring back the PRV program and restart the incentives that help drive rare disease research. It's bipartisan, it's real, and it's ready. It just needs support to move forward.
This is where we need your help. You can contact your members of Congress and ask them to support the Give Kids a Chance Act. Share stories like Jimmy's, raise awareness, and spread the word. The more people who speak up, the more likely it is that this program comes back.
We've included this QR code that you can scan if you want to learn more about this helpful program. The PRV program didn't cost taxpayers anything, but it delivered something priceless: hope for a future for thousands of kids with rare diseases.
And now we have a chance to bring it back, not just for Jimmy, and not just for one condition, but for every child still waiting.
Let's give them that chance.